To get started, you need to come over to Flow website and then you click on Create with Flow. Before we start, let me show you that this actually works. So you can see this is a video I created using this Flow website. I'm going to show you everything you need to know for you to start creating your video. I do not have to crop my video or do any other thing. I just put in my prompt and send it like that. So once you click on Create with Flow, you need to come to this place, and here you need to click on New Project. When you click on New Project, then you need to come down here where you see the prompt area. Make sure you click and then you paste in your prompt. After pasting in your prompt, you need to click on here where you see View 3 Fast, or you click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will see this aspect ratio. If you click here, then you can select your aspect ratio, portrait or landscape. But this is not all. I will show you something else. So when you click here, I'm going to select portrait. After that, click on model. This is the most important part. So for this portrait aspect ratio, it supports View 3 Fast and also support View 3 Quality. So either of these you can select. I'm going to select this. Once that is selected, come down here and then click on Generate. But before we see the final result of this video, let me tell you something. This portrait mode is not available for frames to video or ingredient to video yet. It is only available for text to video. Those are the things you need to pay attention to. Maybe later in the future they will allow it for frames to video or an ingredient to video. Now I'll take a look at the video results. You can go ahead to click on this download button to download your video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Drop in the comment section below if you have gotten value from this video.